Hello everyone, today I will show you 4 clear signs someone is spying on your phone. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Check for call forwarding. First, open the phone app and type the keypad. Type in star pound 21 pound and hit call. If the screen pops up and shows call forwarding disabled at the bottom, that is a good sign. Ensure that all forwarding options, voice, data, etc. are disabled. For extra confirmation, you should also check in your settings. Go to settings, phone, call forwarding, and ensure it is turned off. If it is on, your calls might be forwarded to a random number. Step 2. Check text message forwarding. Next, go to settings, messages, text message forwarding. If you see any devices listed that you don't recognize, turn them off immediately. This could indicate that your text messages are being forwarded to another device. Step 3. Review your screenshots. Open the Photos app and scroll down to Media Types. You may need to select Customize and ensure screenshots is visible. Step 4. Check the camera and microphone usage. Look for a green dot next to the signal bar. It appears when your camera is in use, or an orange dot when your microphone is in use. These dots appear in the top right corner of your screen, indicating an app is accessing your camera or microphone. If you see the dots when no app is open, someone might be spying on you. To stop this, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera and Microphone, and turn off access for apps you don't trust. And that is everything you need to know, the 4 clear signs someone is spying on your phone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.